Hey everyone, I've decided to enhance the quality of my video updates to you by including my dog Cassie. She'll have the non-speaking parts. I'm here to give you an update on the MirGive. We've made a change since my last video post to the Slack channel. It's outlined in the email I sent to you today that talks about the overall MirGive. The big change is when a customer enters the Give code, that the project that they will be assigned to will not be based on the giving code, but will be based on the date of registration. It creates a far simpler system, and it becomes much easier at our operations level in terms of creating individual codes and having those laser etched on product. Cassie here seems remarkably unconcerned about this process change. The net result for our customers is really no impact in the sense that we are still tracking the impact of the MirGive. Each project we will track into the future with looking at results and outcomes. When the customer enters their code based upon the active registration date, they will be assigned to the project, and then we'll track it over time. When they look at their account, they'll be able to see individual products, the dates that those were registered, and the unique projects associated with that date. So the code is a useful tool, but we're no longer going to create a gigantic process that's expensive, not only for us to track, but also difficult at the factory level. So I've outlined it more. I'll talk more in that document I sent you today. We'll talk more about it at the all hands meeting next week, but I just wanted to thank Carl and for raising this issue, Josh, Brian, and Becca. We all sort of tag teamed up with Jenny as well to explore this issue, and it was really fruitful in terms of looking at a process that worked for us on the Give code side and tracking projects, but created some complexity at the operations level. And by sort of having some transparency around our process and how it's unfolding, we were able to identify an issue, come together, and come up with a solution that still works all the way around. So grateful to everybody that, that helped get this resolved, and look forward to implementing this new process. Cassie here says thanks and goodbye.